The tech industry is currently buzzing over what could be the single most ambitious rumor in consumer drone history, claims that DJI is secretly testing 8K video recording capabilities for the upcoming DJI Neo 3. For a micro-drone line that originated as an ultra-lightweight, palm-launch flying selfie camera, making a leap straight to 8K resolution sounds almost absurd on the surface. But when you peel back the layers of recent supply chain shifts, rapid advancements in mobile image signal processors, and the relentless war for dominance in the autonomous creator market, these rumors start to paint a fascinating picture of where aerial filming technology is heading next. To truly understand why the idea of an 8K microdrone is causing such a massive debate across the creator community, you have to look at what 8K actual utility represents for modern videographers. Shooting in 8K resolution has very little to do with watching content on an 8K television screen. Instead, for content creators, YouTubers, and social media videographers across North America, 8K is the ultimate post-production workflow cheat code. In today's digital landscape, creators are forced to publish across multiple aspect ratios simultaneously, capturing horizontal 16:9 video for traditional YouTube long-form content, while also producing native 9:16 vertical videos for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. When you capture video in standard 4K and crop into the center to create a vertical frame, you instantly lose more than half of your original resolution, leaving you with a soft, degraded 1080p image. An 8K sensor, however, captures a staggering 4 times the pixel density of standard 4K. That massive canvas allows an editor to crop, pan, zoom, and reframe a single piece of horizontal footage multiple times without sacrificing a single drop of true 4K sharpness. You can digitally simulate complex tracking shots, recenter off-target subjects, and export pristine vertical 4K video all from a single automated flight path. This post-production flexibility is precisely why industry watchers are taking these Neo 3 rumors seriously. The fundamental goal of the Neo lineup has always been eliminating friction for solo creators. By allowing users to launch a drone directly from their palm, track themselves autonomously, and capture ultra-high-resolution files that can be reframed into any social format without quality loss, DJI would effectively redefine the handheld and aerial vlog ecosystem. However, skeptical engineers and hardware analysts point to massive technical hurdles that DJI would have to overcome to pull off an 8K recording mode inside a micro-drone frame. The first and most glaring obstacle is thermal management. Processing an uncompressed 8K video stream creates an incredible amount of data throughput, which generates extreme heat. Squeezing a high-performance image signal processor into a lightweight, enclosed microchassis without adding heavy active cooling fans or copper heat pipes is an engineering nightmare. In a drone that weighs well under standard regulatory thresholds, every single fraction of a gram counts toward flight efficiency and balance. Because of these thermal constraints, leaked insider discussions suggest that if 8K capability makes its way to the Neo 3, it may not arrive as traditional uncompressed continuous 8K video. Instead, DJI may be leveraging advanced computational video technology, quad-Bayer pixel binning, or short-burst high-resolution recording modes. A high-resolution sensor could operate natively at a massive megapixel count for photo stills and computational reframing, while using intelligent pixel binning down to an ultra-sharp, oversampled 4K video feed during extended flight sessions. This hybrid approach would give creators the extreme detail and post-production cropping flexibility of an 8K canvas while keeping the drone cool, energy efficient, and lightweight. This brings us to the second critical bottleneck: power consumption and battery density. Driving a high-resolution sensor, real-time AI image processing chips, and multi-directional vision systems drains power fast. Microdrones historically struggled with short airtime because traditional lithium-ion batteries hit a ceiling in energy density. But supply chain rumors indicate that DJI's research division is implementing high-density silicon anode battery chemistry across its next-generation lineup. By storing significantly more energy within the exact same physical size and weight limit, the Neo 3 could potentially deliver flight times that cross into the 20-minute range even while running heavy background AI processing and stabilization algorithms. Another major area of innovation linked to these 8K rumors is electronic image stabilization. Stabilization on microdrones is notoriously difficult because small, lightweight aircraft are easily buffeted by wind gusts. While mechanical gimbals help stabilize the tilt and roll, electronic image stabilization relies heavily on sensor margin, cropping into a larger image frame to smooth out violent micro-vibrations. Having an 8K sensor gives electronic stabilization systems like Rocksteady and Horizon Balancing a massive reserve of excess pixels to work with. The software can aggressively stabilize heavy movement, wind roll, and sharp turns while still outputting an uncompromised, razor-sharp final image. Beyond camera hardware, a jump in visual capability requires an equally massive leap in transmission protocols. Flying in urban environments or around heavy foliage frequently introduces signal degradation and interference. High bitrate video pipelines require robust wireless connections to stream live previews back to a mobile controller or FPV goggles. Rumors point toward the integration of an upgraded OcuSync transmission framework using carbon composite internal antenna architecture. This would ensure that even if the drone is processing high-resolution video internally, the live preview feed sent to the creator's screen remains rock-solid, ultra-low latency, and immune to ambient radio interference. From a market positioning standpoint, introducing an 8K capable or high-resolution computational microcamera makes strategic sense for DJI. The pocket drone market has become increasingly competitive, with rivals pushing hard into the autonomous vlog category. To maintain its dominant position across North America and global markets, DJI cannot rely solely on incremental upgrades. By offering professional-grade reframing resolution, hands-free palm operation, intelligent AI obstacle avoidance, and seamless social media integration, the Neo 3 would set an insanely high standard for what a sub-250-gram flying camera can accomplish. Whether the final production version debuts true native 8K video or an advanced oversampled computational camera system, the direction of microdrone technology is unmistakable. The boundary between bulky professional cinema gear and pocket-sized autonomous flying cameras is fading rapidly. Creators who embrace these emerging tools will be able to capture cinematic, multi-angle content faster and easier than ever before. As regulatory filings and component leaks continue to surface, one thing is certain: the next evolution of personal aerial filming is about to change the game once again.